Hey, we are going to start. Hey, we are going to start.
What's up, my lady?
I see the vision, I feel the light. Dolly pip shining in the night, compounding season, we don't stop. Build it up, we reach the top. I see the vision, I feel the light. Dreams turning real in front of my eyes. I feel like we pay the price. Listen, today I finished what I prayed for, I don't pretend. Camera in my hand, now I see my dreams extend. Told me in the sky,
Now
see
we
light
leave.
from
What you doing,
above.
yo?
Phone full of moments, yeah, I'm capturing love. Off reach the shooting cinematic with my crew. Dolly pitch motion, everything feels new. Tested every frame, every light, every sound. Now I walk different when I move around. Yeah, I music in my system, I create and I blend. My journey in a song, no beginning, no end. This is not luck, this is built from pain. Now I turn every drop into creative
I
pen.
see the vision, I feel the light.
Dolly pitch rising in the night, compounding season, we don't stop. Build it up, we reach the top. I see the vision, I feel the fire. Creation takes us high, no fear now. We pay the price, work in faith, yeah, that's our life. Yeah, now it's content season, I don't ask why. I just shoot, I edit, I let it fly. 3 times a week or maybe more. I open new doors I never saw before. Food challenge, laughter, camera light. Every moment turned into life so bright. Drone view blessing from the sky so wide. Samsung shots on a daily grind. Bank balance calm, batteries full. Creative energy always on pull. Collaboration, whatever I choose. Only real ones when time flies. This is fear season, but I still stand tall even when I fall. I still won't stall. I got my steps. I trust the plan. I just create what I can as a man. Yeah, I see it now. In life, we don't slow down.
Turning painted up.
The bank said yes, the door's unlocked. Corporate world called back, finance opened up. I'm back in motion, blessings on the map, I'm on that. Live good, yeah. I feel it now, I'm here now, I'm here now. I made it somehow. I walk through every day. Now I rise again. I rise again. Is this the time to live good? I can see it clear, everything aligned. I'm right here, from blessing to blessing I stand. I'm living proof of a greater plan God did. Where I'm at, I move forward, future looking bright. Living in the moment, every day feels right. Not dressing to impress, but I stay clean. Simple lifestyle, still looking magazine. I don't chase brands, I don't flex for the crowd. Quiet confidence, I let the work speak loud. Fresh Vans on my feet, that's the street code. Cat boots when I'm building. Black on black, looking sharp with the vision. Boardroom mindset, making executive decisions. Feels like a movie when I walk into place. Success looks natural when it's covered in grace. Life is good and it shows in my actions. Every little win adds another reaction. God beside me, every step, every move. I'm living proof, got nothing left to prove. Time to live good, yeah. I feel it now, I'm here now. I made it somehow. God opened doors, I walk through every day. Now I rise again. I rise again. Time to live good, I can see it clear. Everything alive, I'm right here. Blessing to blessing I stand. I'm living proof of a greater plan God did. You don't gotta be me, build your own lane. Different paths, same sun, same rain. I create with AI, turning thoughts into sound, taking visions from my mind and bringing them around. Using every tool that God put in my reach, learning every lesson life is trying to teach. Some complain about change, some create with it. I see the
I stay committed. What will tomorrow say? Just wait and see. Every day I'm writing new history. News talking AI, the world shifting gears. The future getting closer, it's already here. Use it as a tool, don't be afraid to learn. Knowledge is power, when the passion burns, energy never lies. That's a fact I know, bigger opportunities wherever I go for. Dolly picks, the vision getting larger. Moving with purpose, going harder and smarter. Rexon said, Red Low Papa. No doubt he saw it before us. Smile like Palesa while the music plays. No hate, no drama, just brighter days. Is this the time to live good? Hey, I feel it now. I'm here now. I'm here now. I made it somehow. Wide open doors, I do everything.
Shut up, like.
I rise again. Is this the time to live good? I can see it clear. Everything right. I'm right here. From blessing to blessing, I stand. I'm living proof of a greater plan. God gave. I can see it coming. I can feel it near. But the door is not open yet. I planted the seed, I watered the ground. I kept on working when nobody was around. I captured the moments, I told the stories. I built in silence without chasing glory. The numbers are rising, the people can see. The vision I carried is becoming reality. But the was just waiting behind the time. Teaching my heart that patience is mine.
This is my preparation stage, not a punishment, not a delay. God is building something inside of me before the world sees what I see. A blessing is close, I know it is near, but I will not be controlled by fear. I will keep working, I will keep faith. The right time will reveal my day.
Money came and disappeared from my hand, but I learned I was still standing where I stand. Doors look closed, but lessons came through. Every setback was teaching me something new. I could become desperate, I could lose my way, but patience is stronger than rushing today. I don't only want the blessing in my hand, I want the wisdom to manage the plan before the crown. There was preparation before the harvest. There was cultivation before the story. There was a season unseen before the victory. There was the building a dream, I see it coming. I am not forgotten. I am being prepared.